Welcome back, my fellow makers and foam fanatics. A year ago, I had an impulse buy. I saw something and said I had to have it, bought it, and of course, over the year, doing the pandemic and everything else, I completely forgot about it. And lo and behold, something showed up in the mailers today. Da, da, da. That's right, it's the Nerf's M-41A Pulse Rifle. I've been a huge fan of this film, Aliens, which this gun's based on. And I'm amazed it took them this long to finally make this. I can't tell you how many people have bought Nerf guns to modify them to look like this. Now you can actually have one. So I did order it. It showed up. So what we're going to do today is we're going to open it up and take a look at it. And we're going to do it right here on the Evil Ted channel. One thing I want to say that's awesome about this is they're really smart about the packaging. I think this is genius. They make this look like a metal locker. If you look up here, it's got the indentations here. And of course on the, like a handle, like latches. Check this out. LV426. The actual name of the planet where they found the, where the colonists were living and the aliens showed up. You got your, the Space Marine logo, got the M-41A, and over here too, you got this still, you got the M-41A. I just want to check out the packaging. Here's the backside. Oh, it's cool. So you can see this is the silhouette. You got the rounds and you got the grenades. Oh, check this out, the barcode. It's Wailing Honey. That's awesome. Little graphic of a barcode from Wailing Tiny. And of course, it's a little stamp because I guess that's where it's going. It's going to this gun was shipped to LV426, which is awesome. All right, enough of the packaging. Here we go. Now for the magic moment. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, that's so cool. Again, let me just go on about the packaging. Look at this. Get inside. Got the silhouette. Let this guy out. A little extra piece here to hold this in. For the big reveal, look at that. Nice. When getting this, I found out through some friends of mine that this takes C batteries. So I went ahead and got those ahead of time. Not a standard battery to have around the house. So let's go ahead and take this gun out. Wow. Oh, wait, hold on. I just realized, too, you have the gun, but I take it these are the rounds. Looks like you have 10 bullets and 3 grenades. Yep, there they are. Again, this box is super cool. It still, holds everything. So again, get this open. Yep, there's our bullets. We'll set these over here. And the grenades. And, oh, there they are. That's what I was looking for. The instructions. Come with the instructions. Digital counter, trigger. Get the button for the trigger. And, just like the movie of the grenade launcher, dart. Pull trigger on below. Let's take a look and see where we have to put these batteries. Pull this out. Cool box. I'm definitely keeping this box for proper storage. Wow. What's so cool? It's just feeling the grip. Because I've made so many, I got an airsoft replica of this. I have the my foam one. And I'm very happy with the scale. I think it's pretty much, I'm pretty close to the scale. And for a Nerf gun, I thought they would kind of like size things up. I think they did a fantastic job. This is pretty much really close to the scale of the actual movie pulse rifles. It's amazing the work they went through to make this thing. All right, let's get to batteries. I'm gonna need a Phillips screwdriver for this. Oh, there we go. Is it gonna fit in there? Ah, there we go. All right, got our batteries. It took 4 C batteries. Uh-oh. It's got the digital counter now, is all lit up. So of course it has 10 rounds on it. So let's load up our mag. The clip button releases. Now I'm going to slap the clip in. Lights up 10. Oh, and our grenade launcher. Can't forget about that. Oh, so I know Nerf, and they have their reasons why they do the color scheme. I think it would have been great if they did a little more of a accurate color, but they won't do that for the kids with the toys anymore these days. Because these kids already buy it, the first thing they're going to do is repaint these guns. Moment of truth. Let's try this out. Here we go. That was fun. Of course, you guys missed out. It has sounds, so let you guys get a sample of that. Then it runs out. Of course, you pop the clip out, reload, slap it back in, takes the 10, grenade launcher, chamber that, pull the trigger. Excellent sounds. Now, really cool, it's something I discovered while playing with this, is that you can actually add the rounds, because Nerf is compatible. So if you buy one of the bigger, longer clips or one of the drum mags, you can actually increase the rounds. So you can change out the mag. How cool is that? Again, this was amazing. Of course, when I saw when they first went on sale, I pre-ordered mine ages ago. It took so long to get here. It finally got here. I'm so happy it's here. But to let you guys know, they are still available. You guys can click on the link below to the Nerf Hasbro site, and I believe they're $94.99 right now. So if you guys still want to get one, they're still available. Jump out there and get them. I know what you're asking. If I'm going to repaint mine, the answer is no. I really like this. Now, if I had a disposable income, I'd buy 2 and paint 1 and leave them separate, but I did not. And I have an airsoft replica, and I have a foam version of it. Really quickly, guys, if you want to take these to conventions, let's do it right now. These aren't con-friendly. They will not let you take these Nerf guns to conventions because they shoot projectiles. So if you are interested in doing a Colonial Marine cosplay, I do have patterns for a M-41A Pulse Rifle in my shop. Just jump over to eviltedsmith.com. You can pick one up and make a foam one, which is con-friendly. Again, everybody, thank you so much for watching me. If this is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And while you're at my website, eviltedsmith.com, picking up patterns, don't forget to get on my mailing list, which I'll keep you up to date on when I'll be streaming live or what convention I'll be to next. Also, I just recently put up a merch store. So another great way you guys can show your support is jump over and pick up some shirts in my merch shop. This is great. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel. Get some!